Ready to level up your audio game? Alright, let's dive into how to get your microphone working perfectly within your Nvidia setup. First things first, you'll want to locate your Nvidia control panel, which can often be found by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting it from the menu. Once the control panel is open, look for the Audio or Manage Audio Devices section. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your driver version, but it should be easy to spot. Under Display or Sound Settings, click on it to access your audio configuration. Now, you should see a list of your audio devices. This is where you'll find your microphone. Make sure your specific microphone is selected and is not disabled if it's not showing up. Confirm that your microphone is properly connected to your computer. Also, update your driver. Next, it's time to fine-tune your microphone settings. We'll typically find adjustment sliders to manage your microphone's input volume. Adjust this to a comfortable level. Not too loud and not too quiet. Make sure to adjust the boost if applicable. To test your microphone, many programs, whether it's your game settings or audio recording software, have a sound level indicator as visualization of your audio input. Speak into your microphone and watch the indicator. It should respond to your voice. If your microphone sounds good and the sound indicator reflects this, congratulations, you've successfully enabled your microphone within your Nvidia software. Now, you're all set to start recording and get your content out there. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials.